Okay, today we're taking a look at a 3D printed Tik-Tok robot from the Return to Oz movie. Or at least that's what I'm influenced it on. I couldn't find a good model that you could 3D print online by anybody. They all had problems, so I went ahead and made my own and modified some files. But more importantly, I wanted it to walk. So as far as I know, this is the only walking Tik-Tok robot from the Return to Oz show. As soon as more of the N20 motors with the right angle dual shaft arrive, I'll do a build video. The body is held on magnetically, and 2 AA batteries go in there. The motor is right underneath there, and that just snaps back down. There's a switch in the back of the head, and you have the Emerald City green eyes light, and you have the walking action. Now I'll give you a side view so you can see it. It is in fact walking. Here, let's pull the camera back some. Here we go. So, with any luck, when the N20 motors arrive, I've ordered them off Amazon, but they come from China. So it normally takes about 3 weeks to get here. I'll do a build video. I haven't decided whether I'm going to share the files on Thingiverse yet or not. Oops, this is sloped uphill. Or not. I probably will. I may build a couple first and then do that. But there you have it. Tik-Tok from the Return to Oz movie.